What is going on, Adventure Nation? In this episode, we explore a little bit of Los Barriles' backcountry and get a taste of the quad life. This is the Motorhome Experiment. Okay, I am really excited today. Today is gonna be awesome.
Like Polly's like a little kid right now.
Yeah, I'm very much like a little kid.
These guys are coming with us too.
We're gonna be hanging out with these guys. Scott and Tina and Jeff and Nancy.
Very good.
Perfect. And this guy, Jacob, and his brother Luca, and then the crazy Frenchmen. We're going out on these today. So this is gonna be awesome. Well, we went out on them last night. We went and did pizza, but today we're actually going out up the arroyo and gonna check out some waterfalls. So this should be a lot of fun.
Paul, are you driving?
We're geared up and ready to go?
Yeah, you're the one.
Fantastic. Okay, so I'm gonna drive at first. This is Mark's machine here. He's gonna let me drive. Foolish man. And then Lori's gonna ride up there with Julie. And we're gonna get Lori driving later too, so this is gonna be fun. Thank you, man, I really appreciate this.
It's my pleasure, buddy. Should I strap with you?
Yeah, look at this thing. Wow. Okay, I've got to find out when we're getting ours. So, Lori, when are we getting our off-roaders?
When you're willing to pull a trailer the size that they have, 30-foot trailer.
No, we don't need to pull a 30-foot trailer, but we definitely need to pull that 4 up. But look at that thing. That is awesome. Got to thank Mark and Julie and the kids for allowing us to come out here with them and drive their machines. They're awesome.
And our other friends, they're back there. All the other guys.
That Can-Am is crazy.
That's the one he wants.
Well, yeah, that's the one I want, but that's not going to happen. Mark just said it right. This is like a white Sedona. Very crazy. And just a few miles from camp. A few miles from Los Barriles, and you just can't have access to this unless you have 4-wheel drive or the friends with razors. So this is insane. So does that make you crazy? They're not all razors, right? Are yours razors?
We got 2 razors.
Okay, they've got razors, so we can say razors, but that's kind of like saying Kleenex, but they're not all Kleenex.
We accept Can-Am X3 too.
Okay, you accept all of that stuff?
Yeah,
all right.
yeah.
Sorry, Lori, I didn't remember we were gonna walk in so much water. You know what? I'm very...
Oh, you know what's funny
Now
though?
Paul is convincing me to get an off-road vehicle.
I left
Just
my
saying.
phone in the razor. Which means I can't control the drone.
No way. Well,
Here, this is what I can do though. Okay, Mark's gonna take a shower. Is that cold? A little chilly, huh?
It's not cold though.
Oh yeah!
Okay.
Yeah!
Oh my God!
Mark says the water's warm. He's probably lying his ass off.
We walked so much.
There's a bit of sand.
There's a little bit of sand mixed in, yeah. A little bit of sand, a little bit of rock mixed in. But that is refreshing. Okay, Laura, your turn.
We can see it in the head, like you have full of sand right
Yeah,
there.
a lot of sand in the hair.
Oh yeah.
I am not doing it. Chilly for me. Didn't bring a towel too.
And shoes.
Yeah.
Water shoes.
And I am shooting too, all this, so I need to stay safe here. See those little guys up there? That's Paul and that's Luca. And Jacob was trying to get up there too. So
Sand coming down.
it's gonna be interesting now how they come down.
And we made it back to the beginning. Back to the quads, to the UTVs, to the Razors, to the Can-Ams, to the off-road vehicles, whatever they are. Amazing place. It was a good day, Mark. Nobody died yet.
Pretty happy about that. It's not done. It's not done.
Oh, it was awesome. Amazing. This doesn't suck, does it?
The beach party right here. Yep.
Farthest end here. Now we're gonna head down to the other falls a little ways back, and Mark's guaranteeing me naked people in the spa, in the falls.
Oh yeah, why not?
Yeah, might be a little chilly for that today. Okay, Lorena, just so you know, I should kiss you goodbye every time I go to get in the vehicle with him, just in case.
Oh no, I have a good driver here. I have the good one, so I'm okay.
Did you were afraid?
Oh no.
Yeah, there's a ball.
You know the easiest way to find the path is to get the dogs to lead it.
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh.
Abby. Oh, Abby.
Oh.
Abby, you're not. Get out of there.
Oh.
I wouldn't depend too much on that.
That's a good puppy. Ayaw. I guess it's okay.
Hey, they sound like the
Oh, wow.
When the sun strikes right in here, it's completely
Holy smokes.
It's not a big thing, but
This is cool.
yeah, pretty cool.
Pretty unexpected up here.
Yes, like this big of a pool, yes.
The crazy Frenchman, he's not afraid of anything. He's fearless. Fearless, that guy. I'll tell you what, this is a pretty magical place up here. It would have been cool if it was a sunnier day. We might have went and done some swimming, but it is still pretty spectacular.
Swimming in this?
No, I'm not talking about swimming in here, but in the top one.
On the other one, yes.
Yeah, you wouldn't have swam in that top one on a nice warm day?
I know it. Oh, no, it's still pretty chilly for me.
sorry.
By the way, it took us like a break of 30 minutes to get the drone out to take that shot. Just FYI.
This is the Maestro Alex at work. What are you making, Alex?
I'm making a brown sugar.
Brown sugar?
Yeah,
But the drink you're making is Mexican coffee?
Mexican coffee.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Wow, Laura, you better drink that one slow after all the work that went into that.
I know, right? I appreciate it. And he will still order.
Hola, soy Rosalía. Escucha mi nueva canción, di mi nombre.
So what did you think of the quad life, Lorena?
I have to say, for the longest time, because we have other friends with quads and they invited us before, and we're like, no, thank you, not our thing, and all that stuff. And now, like, we actually tried Los Barriles. It was like, oh my God, it's just so much fun. It just
So much fun.
it opens up. Like I told Paul, it's like I was just full of adrenaline at the end of like riding that quad. So it's like, but so cool. You get to see places you cannot just do by hiking or even just with a regular car.
Yeah, you just can't get out there and explore it. So seeing that was really cool,
cool.
And also gave us the idea for maybe the possibility of a Jeep in our future.
That's actually what sparked everything about the talk about the Jeep.
Yeah, so if you've been seeing us talk about Jeep stuff on social media and stuff, it's because of this video, what happened here.
Yes.
So yeah, a lot of fun. So yeah, maybe
That's
a
it,
four-wheel
so-
drive in our future.
Yeah, so thank you, Mark and Julie.
Yeah, Mark and Julie
You're
and
gonna
Rhonda.
cost us money.
And yeah, they are going to cost us money. And Tina and Scott and Nancy and Jeff. Thanks all of you guys, because we had a great time hanging out with you guys in this video. So that was a lot of fun. But this is where we're going to call this one. So if this is your first time here, it'd be awesome if you hung out with us a little bit, got to know us, and that means they have to
Subscribe.
hit that subscribe button. It would be equally as cool if you liked the video. And make sure you hit the notifications bell so you get a little dinger every time we post a new video. And that's it. Bye.
Bye, guys.
And then after we explored the quad life, we're gonna see some of the boat life. Little foreshadowing for a future video.
Why are you giving it away?
Bye.
There's a reason we're sunburned.
What is going on, Adventure Nation? In this episode, we splore. I got a little sunburn today. Oh yeah, I need to shave, but that's all right. Take two.